All right, we're gonna do a little 8s launch. Ready? Let's call it.
1, 2, 3, go.
That was
I got covered with foam, dude.
That was maybe 2/3 throttle I hit.
Look at this. Look at this burnout.
All right, guys, Motor Toys, we're back with the Kraton. We dropped 4 teeth on the spur gear, so we're 34 now. We're gonna do a 6s graphene pass this time, see what it looks like. We ran 65 before on non-graphene with the old gearing. Let's see what she does.
Get a grip.
Yep. All right, another little pull, so that's 69. All right, guys, we're still on 38 gears, so very light, but we're gonna make an 8s pass and just see what it does. The time has come.
Clear.
Am I clear?
Clear. Oh my, good save.
All right, so still very light gearing.
The power band is way toward here, isn't it?
Yeah, the power band's way different. So that was an 8s pass, 82, brought us up 17 miles an hour from a 6s pass, but as we can see, it still needs a ton more gearing. So that is gonna be the next step.
Clear? No. Damn it, late. Oh, you're good, you're good.
Dude, I'm coming.
Bring it, dude. Oh shit. Danger, that person, that pedestrian.
Did you see that one more or no?
Yeah,
I will, but I want to see what we did on 98.
Wow.
Okay, so maybe it was running a little faster than what I thought.
Run it, run it.
Here we go.
All right, let me get over here. Clear.
All right, guys, we got a backup pass, 95 miles an hour.
Sound on it. Look, it's so far down there. Let's do a little roll race.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Just lights them up.